Hi everyone, this is a quick video to explain how I made a key term word map graphic organizer. So the original assignment is actually something that the North Carolina CTE department provides in our curriculum guide. However, it is a worksheet that looks like this over here that you would print out and give to students. However, with remote learning, we cannot print this out to give it to them. So I have kind of taken this and put a virtual spin on it. So on the first slide, it says choose 4 terms from the next slide. So on slide number 2, I have a list of the 4 terms, and it says type the 4 you pick here. And so the student will be able to type right in here what 4 terms they're going to pick. On the next page, it gives them an example of a word map. So you'll put the name of your key term right here in the middle. Then up here, you're going to put type definition of key term. You're going to insert a photo of your key term or something that represents your key term. In the yellow box, you're going to give an interesting fact or statistic related to the key term. And then in the green box, you're going to use the key term in a meaningful sentence. So if we go back and look at my example, I used cardiopulmonary resuscitation, which was not one of the key terms off the list, but I used it anyway. And so we have here the definition, an image. Cardiopulmonary resuscitation as we know it today was developed in 1960. That was just a fun fact. And then after the patient went into cardiac arrest, the nurse jumped in and immediately began cardiopulmonary resuscitation. That is a meaningful sentence using the key term. So they have 4 slides that all look the same for them to complete their key terms, which are the 4 that they chose here. Now let's talk about how we're going to share this and get it out to them. So the first thing you want to do is click share. And you want to make sure that this is probably going to say restricted down here, and you're going to click change. And you can change this to either within your school system or anyone with the link, but I'm just going to do anyone with the link because I think it would be fun to be able to share this with a lot of people. And we're going to make sure that it says viewer, and then you're going to click done. Then you're going to click share again. You're going to copy the link that it gives you, open up a new page, post the link, paste it in there. And then where it says edit right here in this link where it says edit, you're going to highlight that and change it to the word copy. What this is going to do is automatically force your students to make their own copy of the key term word map graphic organizer every single time they click on that link. So that was copy your link from here, paste it over here, click edit, change it to copy, hit enter, and then it should say copy document. This is now the link that you're going to give your students. So for example, I'm going to create a new assignment. In Canvas, I'm going to add a new assignment. I'm going to name it Key Term Word Map Graphic Organizer. And then you can type a bunch of instructions here, but for the purpose of this real quick demonstration, I'm just going to post the link. But for example, you might want to put, click on the link below. This will force you to automatically make your own copy of this, of the Google Slides. Okay, and then you can put step 2, blah, 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 keep going. And then you can also set the parameters for how you want them to submit it to you. I actually want them to submit it to me only as a PDF for the purpose of this assignment. So I'm going to restrict the file type to PDF. I do not want it to push over to PowerSchool, so I'm going to uncheck this. And this is an activity that they are going to be turning in tomorrow. So I'm going to set the due date for that as well. Then I'm going to click save. I don't want to publish it yet because obviously I need to go back and type in some more information. And then the way I have my modules set up is that I have them set up by day. Each day has its own page. So on tomorrow's page, August 25th, I want to go ahead and edit that and make sure that it links to the correct assignment. So here we have Tuesday, August 25th. So far, we have 2 videos on here that I had uploaded, but now we're going to click edit. we're going to scroll down to where it says complete. Here we go. Complete key term word map graphic organizer. Okay, that's the third thing I'm going to want them to do tomorrow. I'm now going to highlight this, and I'm going to click link up here, and then go to course links. Course links is going to open, and I'm going to click on assignments. And I'm not sure if it's not letting me because I'm recording, but typically you would click assignments right here and all of your assignments would pop up, and you would just click on key term word map graphic organizer, the one that you want to link, and then you would hit save. Okay, I think it's not letting me because I'm currently filming. Let me pause for. Okay, that was it. So when I paused the video, I was able to click assignments and then key term word map graphic organizer and then hit save. So now I'm going to go down here and I'm going to hit save. And so that means that tomorrow when they go to open their page for the day to see what they are supposed to do, they'll have their video, they'll have this other video, then they'll have complete key term word map graphic organizer, and that is going to open to the assignment which we made. Okay, and then of course when they click this link, it's going to force them to make a copy of it. Now the other thing I'm going to put in the directions for my students is that I want them to then save their presentation as a PDF and upload the PDF. So the way they'll do that, in case they ask you, is they'll go to File, Download, PDF. And then it'll download as a PDF right here, and they will be able to upload that to Canvas. So hopefully this helps you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me on my email address, which is essick@tcs.k12.nc.us. Okay, that's it. Thank you.